Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put fabric softener in a Whirlpool washing machine. These will be easy steps in a very simplistic tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have this Whirlpool washing machine. It is the Whirlpool Duet Steam Washer, and whether you have this one or a different Whirlpool washing machine, the process for adding fabric softener to the washer is going to be very similar. So let's get right into this instructional video. And this washing machine actually we were very fortunate enough that when we bought the house, the previous homeowners left it for us, like they didn't take it. So this came with the house, and it's been a great washer. You know, I think they ended up getting it from like, one of those like scratch and dent situations, because this was cracked. And I was like, how did this, the only way that this would have cracked is probably if it had fallen or something like that. So I'm assuming that's how they got it. And also the dryer is a different Whirlpool. It's not from the same, it's not from the same thing. The dryer is a Whirlpool Cabrio. But anyways, that's besides the point. The point is that, we got this washer. It's been fantastic, and I wanted to do some tutorials with it, okay? Because we're probably gonna end up getting a new one within the next couple years, so I figured I'd use it for some video tutorials. So you're gonna look for a drawer in your Whirlpool washer, okay? And like I said, whether you have this exact one or something else from Whirlpool, you're probably gonna find a drawer along the front of it somewhere. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up that drawer, and you're gonna look for a spot to add in fabric softener. So you can see I've already added in the detergent over here. That's where you can add in bleach, because it's labeled as such, which I never really use bleach. And honestly, I never really use fabric softener either. That's why it's kind of dirty. But I'm gonna use it right now for this load just to show you how to do it. So you can see right here, it says add the fabric softener here, and the max part that you can add is right there. I'm not gonna add anywhere near the max. I just have a little bit of fabric softener, like I said, because I never really use it. And I'm just gonna pour it into the fabric softener portion over here. As you can see, well, that's actually closer to the max than I thought, to be honest with you. I thought the max would be really far away. Anyways, I'm gonna rinse out this cup after, so I don't have to get every little drop out of there. I'm just gonna rinse it out in the sink over there momentarily. But once the fabric softener has been added in, what you can do is you can close the drawer, okay? Make sure it's closed all the way, and then start your washer cycle. And when you run your washer cycle, the washer is gonna automatically send the water through the drawer and include the stuff from the drawer in there. So your fabric softener and your detergent is going to get included at the appropriate times. And that's basically it. That is how to put in fabric softener and add fabric softener to a Whirlpool washer. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.